if you have a low click rate, less than 10%, what are some of the causes of that, do you think?
So some of the causes of that are just offer. They just pretty much ignoring your offer at that point. They'll click it, they'll read, they'll scan it, but they're off it because subconsciously they know you're gonna give them an offer anyway.
Mm-hmm.
So that's reason normally number one. Number two, you're probably either the opposite of that. You're not even having a call to action. You're just trying to hide a link in the text somewhere and thinking hopefully they'll see the link and click it. That's normally reason number two. Which it sounds funny, but
Yeah.
it happens. People do that.
Like they're
Um,
like, okay, well, I am gonna offer it for my own like subconscious knowing that like I did it, but I also don't really want you to find it.
Yeah, exactly. So they'll just put it in there, and because normally you think, well, maybe they see the highlighted text, they'll click it and get curious, and then that'll be what it is from there.
Yeah.
But they won't because they know something's there anyway. So it's like they just won't do it. So some ways to kind of improve that are to kind of scale back on the offer. Like a lot of my emails, I don't even send links out. I just send either content or just like, hey, I call them community check-ins, where I'm asking them what they're doing, and I'm making it an area where they can reply. That's your best metric, is when they actually take time to reply to the email. So that's kind of what I
I think too,
focus
you
on.
got to start with that too. Like we tried to incorporate that the last few months, and I feel like people were so used to me just sending the emails and not asking for a response that people were like, we just never got a response. And I think it was simply
Yeah.
because when they came in for months, I had never asked them to do it before.